Hi, my name is Nick. I'm here at InfoComm with Absen. I just wanted to go over a couple displays here. This is our A25 series. To the left here, we have our A1025, which is 10 millimeter, and to the right, we have a 625, which is our 6 millimeter displays. Both of these are for outdoor applications. Very high brightness, up to 10,000 nits. It's great for the high bright environments where the sun is beating on them. Anything outdoor, these things can handle the harsh environments. Both of these have high refresh rates for in-stadium viewing on camera. So if you notice right now, it's not flickering as we watch the video. We use these for a lot of the scoreboard systems throughout the nation. One of the biggest features that this has is there's no ribbon cables inside. It plugs right into the hubs, and it creates less connections. This product is extremely reliable. I sell a lot of these, and my partners have no clue what the RMA process is because we haven't really had any problems, which is very unique in the outdoor world. Again, this is Nick at Absen, and follow us at absen.com.